This is Patty Owens at 105 Carver Street in Lake Wales, Florida. It is 10:12 p.m. on Monday, October 15th. Looking out my living room window to the southwest, we have a visitor. Unwanted, unwelcome, trespassing under the awning. Now that's the signal way up high. So somewhere down here will be, now it did just recognize that there was a person, so the face must be somewhere around the middle of the screen or top of the screen. This is that cloaking that we talk about. Nobody's invisible. I don't believe anybody's invisible, never have. But there is a magic trick, a little optical illusion. And since they control the environment with the items they put in the ground, and that they coat the fence and the house and the trees with that fiber, that filament stuff, and then they have the signal jammers and all the lights headed this way and everything else. That's how they achieve this. But when you catch them in just the right light, you can see quite a bit more. Right there. That's handy.